every route, one body. Meet the 2026 Heil DuraPack Python and Half Pack, built on a revolutionary common body platform that combines two of the industry's most trusted names in one unified design. For the first time, one design powers both front-load and side-load applications, giving you unmatched flexibility and a streamlined operator experience. We started with the legendary Half Pack and DuraPack Python product lines, tried, proven, and trusted by the industry for decades. Building on that legacy, we focused on the people behind the wheel. Driver-designed ergonomic controls and a simplified interface cut cab clutter and reduced buttons by at least 66%. The result? A consistent, intuitive experience across your entire fleet. And it's not just easier to drive, it's easier to maintain. With 44% or more shared components, including identical cab-to-body harnesses, you'll stock fewer parts, train technicians faster, and keep trucks on the road longer. Not to mention fully sealed side skirts to help prevent rodent intrusion. Safety and visibility are now standard features, built in rather than bolted on later. Integrated third-eye cameras, including optional 360-degree bird's-eye view cameras, and lights are built into the body for better protection, less maintenance, and clearer views, reducing downtime, while also increasing safety and reliability in every environment. Maintenance is faster than ever with improved access, fewer tools, and a centralized display for intuitive diagnostics and performance data. Even tailgate locks have been relocated for cleaner, more convenient access, allowing full retraction of a tag axle. The 2026 Heil Common Body, one platform, every route. Learn more at Heil.com or contact your Heil representative today.